What's good, you guys? My name is Bree SLG. The SLG are my initials. No, I'm not from a hood, but yes, I like to do hood rat shit. Today's video brings you Mayo. We're gonna do a Mayo mask. I know it sounds really disgusting because I still think it's very disgusting. Backstory. So, a couple weeks ago, my best friend was like, I need to do a Mayo mask. I'm like,
ew, what is that? That is gross.
She was like, it's for my hair is so dry. Basically, she's saying she needed to mask her hair to put back all that beautiful nutrients to make her hair shine and beautiful and luscious again. After judging her, which I'm still judging you, Morgan, I am. After looking it up, I realized that mayo is actually a great thing to put in your hair. I hate mayo. I hate the smell of mayo. I truly don't like the taste of mayo. I think it's disgusting.
Mayonnaise is
gross. But it does help with hair growth, removing lice, defining your curl. Every curly girl's dream. Strengthening your hair, protecting hair color. One I did not know. And calming down frizzy hair. So today we are going to do a Mayo mask. I'm truly disgusted by this, and I guess I can't wait to see how it works, because I can't sit here and judge something if I've never done it, right? So you can do it with different things. There are people who do it with eggs. There are people who do it with coconut. You could do it whatever you want to. I'm just going to do mayonnaise by itself because that's all I know for right now. Later on in life, I'll experiment a little more if I like it. That's an if, though. So, with that being said, let's get started. It's honestly not that bad. I think I'm being more dramatic about it because I don't like the smell of it. But it's actually not that bad. There's truly some grip to it, which is kind of surprising. I'm literally rubbing it in my hands. Ew. Gross. Okay, so my hair is completely dry. I did do my mask for 1 hour, and you know what, honestly, I'm obsessed. And it's like hydrated. I'm very surprised there's no product in my hair whatsoever. Wow, there is so much shine to it. It feels hydrated. What if this is all I needed my whole life? And I never knew. Just like, wow, I really like it. Okay, I'm never gonna shit on mayo again. Alright, that's all for my video. Thank you so much for watching with me. To see more hair tricks and other stuff, subscribe to my channel.